Everyone, today we are going to see other basic functions in SQL. So I'm using a database called YouTube. From this, I'm going to use the table called core prices. Okay. Now, what are the functions? Other functions that we are going to discuss in SQL today is concat, left, right, upper, lower, proper. Then we have round, Ceil, and floor. These are very small functions which is very required and useful while solving the real-time case study questions in your projects or when you're getting into the work industry. Now, first what this concat will do is, listen carefully, I'm going to explain everything one by one. Let's say select. Now I want to merge the make and model in a single column. So what I'm doing is select a make comma model from core prices. In this I want to merge these two in a single column. Means you want to go concat, you can pause whatever the column to be merged. I am giving make comma, so in between make and model I want one hyphen, means you can give it in a double quotes, then you can give model. Now I'm just removing this. Yeah, now if you execute this line automatically, I hope you're able to see here the Chevrolet Cruise are merged as a single row. Now if you want space, you can give a space in the delimiter that you're pausing here. Now you want to, if you want to change the name, we also seen that how to change the name by giving as, I'm saying updated value, updated make. Now what happening? So this make and model is merged into a single column, which is an updated make. Here what we had done, we just take the make and model with help of some special characters. You can pause anything you want inside the double quotes. If you want any information to be typed before or after, you can use double quotes. This is the use of concat. Now what is left and what is right? What this left will do, so like I'm going to see this all in a single shot: left, right, lower, upper, lower. Now left of make comma 1, then I'm using right of make comma 1, then I'm using upper of make, then I'm using lower of make. So from core prices. Okay, now what is happening is it just, so just I'm taking a make column also to explain you what is happening in each and every functions. Now this Toyota, it's just taking a one column from the left. If you mention how many columns you want from the left by direction, it will take that much of columns. Instead of one, if you pass three, what will happen? If you, it will take three column from the left. So if instead of right, right will do the same, but it will trim the number of characters from the rightward direction. Now what is meant by upper? Which is converting the make into a uppercase. What is the lower? It is converting the make into a lowercase. So these are the functions, small functions that is available in MySQL. And apart from this, we also have proper. Proper is not an inbuilt function. So what is meant by proper, guys? Proper is nothing but a first letter want to be capital. The following letters, like after the first letter, the remaining letters will be in a small letter. So how can we do that? First step, there is no proper inbuilt function here, like there is a no function called proper here. We can frame that very simple, we know this. How can I trim the first letter? um so proper is not possible here because we not have a function. So we will learn proper after learning this substring and endstring. Okay, now we are going to discuss round, Ceil, and floor. Let's say what I'm doing for this round, Ceil, and floor is, so I'm just selecting the price and dividing it with 12 from core prices. Now this is the price. After dividing it with 12, I'm getting this value. Now I want to round it up, right? This is not, this decimal is, I'm having a decimal of 4 digits, so I want to trim the decimals or I want to remove the decimals. First thing is round. If you give round off to, it will round the price by 12 into a 2 decimals. So I hope you know round means if it's greater than 5 it will add up one value to the rounded ones. If it is lesser than 5 it will ignore. So if you are not passing any rounded digits, automatically it will trim to the whole numbers. Correct? It is not giving any decimals. This round function is do. Now what is the Ceil, sir? So what is the Ceil will do if I using price by 12? So round function is rounding to the nearest integer based on if the decimal is greater than 5, it is adding up one value. If not, it's printing that number as it is. Now, if you see here, I'll take the help of Excel now. So now if you see here, if you see here, I'm having a number called 34.6. Now this is the number which lies between 34 to 35, correct? 34 to 35. Now the floor of this number is 34, which is a floor, and the Ceil of the number is 35, which is upper. So this 34.6 is between the range of 34 and 35. When we are calling the floor of this 34.6, it will print 34. When you are calling the Ceil of this, it will print 35. Like if you see here, if after round I'm printing the floor of price divided by 12. Again I'm using Ceil of price divided by 12. Now what is happening, guys? Now if I'm using this and I'm executing, now if you see here, right now it is that 3124.00, that's why it's printing same answer for both. If you take this as an example, 3358.083, it is between 3357, like 3358 and 3359, correct? So my floor is 3358, my Ceil is 3359, correct? All of you able to understand this? If you take any one of this example, let's say 1220.1667, its floor is 1220, its ceiling is 1221. So I hope you understood the small functions like other functions in SQL called Concat, left, right, upper, lower, proper, round, Ceil and floor. Okay. Now, so there is many use case of it. We will discuss in the upcoming videos. Okay. Thanks for watching this. Thanks everyone.